Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sheikh Hassanul Faisal, and now I'm going to review about the article that I've been chosen, which is the COVID-19 pandemic effect on the performance of the Islamic banking sector in KSA, or Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, an empirical study of Rajhi Bank. The most recent COVID-19 crisis, which occurred at the end of 2019, caused worldwide depression and impacted all financial economic sectors, especially bank production and share prices in financial markets, which have trended sharply and steadily lower. These are the impacts of the COVID-19 in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The COVID-19 crisis resulted in a major drop in oil prices and stock prices in GCC countries, which include Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The Arab countries and the GCC also saw a decrease in share demand, as well as difficult in financial conditions, a high risk premium, and a decrease in banking sector flexibility. Since the real interest rate in GCC countries was negative prior to the global COVID-19 crisis as a result of low interest rates and high inflation, reviewing the issue of Rajhi Bank. In the assessment of the top 100 largest Islamic banks for the final year 2018, Rajhi Bank is the largest and also the best Islamic bank. For full 5 years analysis, it is found that Rajhi Bank have performed better during 2020 with significant results compared to 2019. In this article, before and during COVID-19 crisis, it was found that the ratio of return on equity, return on asset, liquidity asset to total asset, and capital adequacy ratio had significantly reduced during the crisis. The article also suggests that Rajhi Bank suffered low in ratios of profitability and liquidity, but there more increase in retained earnings, 850.76% in 2020. This means decrease in dividend profits for phase effects of rises in future. The upcoming success of Rajhi Bank will be aided by the following factors, given that it is one of the biggest Islamic banks in the world. Here are some recommendations. The first one, expand savings and mortgage investment, sell bonds, and boost portfolios of main consumer segments. They also can improve the bank investment in the capital market and stock exchange, increase consumer comfort and protection by expanding digital platforms and migrating consumer to self-service banking, diversification through more branches around the globe, investigate and implement operational improvement programs. Lastly, they also can providing facilities of short-term working capital based on wakalah contracts, operational musyarakah, diminished musyarakah, or transfer balance ijarah by sales and ijarah back. In conclusion, Rajhi Bank's financial statement adjustment shows that its total asset share capital, total reverse retained earning, total shareholders equity, customer deposits, and total net investment would all increase in value in 2020. The bank's net income increased by Saudi Riyal 10,596 million in 2020 compared to Saudi Riyal 10,159 million in 2019, which represents the bank's best crisis era performance. In closing, it can be said that the impact of COVID-19 crisis risks on Islamic banks is quite low, and Rajhi Bank is capable of responding to all economic and financial shocks. That's all from me. Thank you.